Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at a couple of new, well, they're relatively new flashlights from a company that I really like the flashlights they've done so far. I'm going to mispronounce it, RovyVon, R-O-V-Y-V-O-N, RovyVon? Anyway, these are the Aurora flashlights. And before, I looked at the A1, A3, and A5. And these are 550 lumen little rechargeable flashlights. And they have, oh wow, that was super blinding. They have all kinds of different like features and stuff depending upon the model. And what I wanted to do though is, if you guessed from the numbers A1, A3, and A5, there's also an A2 and an A4. And I had to check these out. The A2 is supposed to be stainless steel, and the A4 is supposed to be titanium. And I think the A4 has a couple of extra bells and whistles with it. So let's take a look at these. This one is the A2, and I got a blue one, because, you know. Let's see. Actually, it says 565 lumens, but the thing on Amazon said 550. So, and it says 550 here, right there. It says max output 550 lumens, max runtime 15 hours, etc., etc., etc. Oh, and these are all rechargeable, and that was one of the big things that surprised me about my liking these lights. I tend to prefer flashlights that are that take AAAs, take common battery sizes, but I like these. Well, let's take a look at them and see what they look like. Alright. So you get the usual bells and whistles as you did with the other ones. Get a charging cable, a lanyard, a little metal. There's a little metal clip that goes on it, and there's a little chain that you can attach to it. And what else do you get? Get a thing. I don't know what you do with this. I guess it's your red shit, maybe. Anyway, I don't care. Let's take a look at this thing. All right. Oh wow, okay. This is by far this is the heaviest one so far. So the A2 is definitely heavy. I mean, it probably weighs a little more than an ounce maybe. Feels like it's about an ounce or so. Alright, let's see what we got. That still surprises me how bright that is. Oh, this feels really good in your hand. I like it. And the color's kind of cool too. You get sort of the metallic shiny blue. Okay, so let me organize these for reference. A1. Now this one is pretty light. It's plastic body. This part's metal on the end. And the A3, well, here's the A2, which is stainless steel and awful cool. Now you have the A3. This one is, I want to say, aluminum. I'll include links in the description to all these if you want to check them out, in case I get something wrong. And this one has a glow-in-the-dark body and like little lights in there. So let's check out. I tell you what troubles me, and this is just me being crazy, I fear, but the A1, A2, A3 are all on the button side. The A5 is on the back. I don't know, maybe that's just... Well, we'll get trapped forever doing that if I keep doing that. Let's check out the A4. Let's see. Alright, the A4 comes packaged differently. The A4 is by far the most expensive of these flashlights. Price-wise, when I got them, $25, $30, $40 for the A2, $40 for the A5, and the A4, the titanium one, was $69. So it comes in a little case, first of all, which is kind of cool. So let's unzip the case and take a look at it. Alright. So I recognize this case from some other thing made in China. And so you get the usual bells and whistles that you got with the other thing. You get the lanyard, you get the chain, you get the clip, you get the rechargeable thingy right here. And you get this. Ooh, neat. Now there's supposed to be... I thought there was something that lit up on this. I think those things, I don't know if you can see them. There's two little things right here. I think they're supposed to light up. What am I doing wrong? Don't tell me I'm going to have to read the instructions on this thing. I tell you what, looks-wise, this one looks cool. Alright. Let's see if the instructions are different for this one. Alright, here we go. Get the little form thing. Recharging instructions. How to... Let's see. I'm missing something. Alright, it shows you how to recharge it. By the way, the recharging piece is right here. You just lift it up and insert the cord. Warning, do not look directly into the light. Battery replacement can only be replaced by a professional technician. Well, that kind of makes me a little sad. Let's see. Alright, so let's see what I'm doing wrong. Click the power switch button for 0.5 seconds to enter low mode. Click for 0.3 seconds in any mode. Switch modes. Press and hold for 1 second to power off. Press to cycle modes. Alright. Am I not doing something right? Warning, when the light is working over 2 minutes in high mode, the output will step down to 65 lumens due to the high heat produced. That's cool, I didn't know that. Alright. When the primary light is on, click 3 times for strobe. So primary light's on. Oh wow! That is painful. I see what I was doing, I just wasn't clicking fast enough. Okay. So that strobe thing is, whew. I want to say there's these things, these little things right here are supposed to glow somehow. If I can tell. I don't see anything. I don't know. I'm not sure about that. Anyway, it's cool looking. It kind of looks, I don't know. It's weird to say a tiny little flashlight looks more menacing than the other ones, but this is definitely the angriest flashlight in here. This one's like the strange cousin, and then there's the other ones. Anyway, alright, flashlight wise, they're about 2 inches long and a little bit over, a teeny bit over half an inch wide. They're not bad, and this one, the stainless steel one, is the heaviest one. The titanium one and the aluminum, I think, one are pretty light. These other two are the lightest of the two, and they're neat flashlights. Anyway, I was super surprised that I liked rechargeable flashlights like these, but I do. I definitely like these. Anyway, there's links in the descriptions if you want to check it out, and double check if I made any kind of weird errors about these things. I think I have the. This is steel, aluminum, titanium. glow in the dark and the normal one. So anyway, if you've tried these out and you like them or you don't like them, or there's flashlights that you think are cooler, let me know in the comments. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope y'all have an excellent day.